Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Miranda Punaining Tias, NIM A1H12408, from the Sport and Health Education Study Program at Jambi University. Here, I will discuss volleyball. Here, I will discuss the definition of volleyball, the duties of volleyball players, the correct way to play volleyball, and some prohibitions in the game of volleyball. Well, here I will discuss the definition of volleyball first. Definition: volleyball is a team sport played by two teams of six players each on a rectangular field supported by a net. The main goal is to hit the ball over the net so that it falls at the opponent's area and prevent the same things from happening in your own area. This sport was created by William G. Morgan in the 19th century. He was inspired by James Naismith but did not start demanding physical strength like running. The William created a game called it Mintonet. Then it's officially ended with the name volleyball in 1896. Well, here I will explain about the duties of volleyball players. Before that, let's watch a brief clip of each player duties. First one, server. The server is the player who serves the ball. They are tasked with making the first hit to signal uh, the start of the game. A service is required to serve a difficult service for the opponent. For example, by using the float service technique or topspin service. In volleyball, all players one all players on one team get a turn to be server when scoring points. Second one, spiker. Uh, attack with a strong hit and help block. Spiker or smasher is the player who does to smash. They are tasked with hitting the ball hard and sharply so that the ball falls in the opponent's defense area. A hitter is required to have high jumping ability and strength to hit the ball very hard and fast. Smashers are usually in front of the net and responsible for scoring points to smasher. Third one, tosser. Tosser or setter is player who regulars, regulates the team's attack. They are also known as feeders because they are tasked with receiving the second ball and feeding it to other players to smash. A feeder must master the technique of overhead passing. Well, to feed the ball to the spiker on or the person who does the smash. The fourth is libero. Libero is a special defender who plays an important role in the team's defense. His main task is to receive the serve, defend the ball, and make a good pass the setter. The fifth is middle blocker. This position is the best blocker on the team as mostly the space featured set from the middle of the court and behind the setter. The last is universal player, a versatile player who can fill various positions according the team's needs. We continue to discuss the correct playing technique. 1. Service can be done with underhand and or overhand technique, aiming to send the ball over the net and into the opponent's court. Passing includes underhand atau passing bawah and overhand passing atas, technique to control and direct the ball to teammates. Setting, giving precise space to spiker to enable effective attacks. Speaking, approaching quickly, swinging arms back, bringing both arms up, and contacting the ball in front of the hitting shoulder to maximize power and accuracy. Blocking and digging. Defensive technique to stop or return the opponent's attack. Here are some violations or prohibitions in volleyball. 1. Player step on the line when serving. 2. Player touch the net. 3. Slowing down the service. 4. Making a mistake when blocking or shielding. 5. Must not touch the ball more than 3 times. That's a little explanation about volleyball from me. I end it with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.